Preheat your oven to 350. Spray your pan with nonstick spray. Press 1 roll of Crescent Rolls to the bottom of the pan. In a large bowl, add 4 packages of cream cheese, 3 teaspoons of vanilla, half a teaspoon of cinnamon, 1½ cups of sugar, and 2 eggs. Mix that together well until it is very smooth. Pour the cheesecake mixture into the pan, making sure to cover all of the crust. Now on top of the cheesecake mixture, add your top layer of Crescent Rolls. Gently cover the top with melted butter. Now finally, sprinkle a mixture of cinnamon and sugar to the top of your cheesecake. Place in the oven to bake for 40 to 45 minutes. Remove from the oven and let cool. Enjoy your Sopapilla cheesecake.